Hello everybody, I'm Harold with Nature's Friends, and it's May 9th. Cool last night, it was down to in the 30s, and what we're doing here this year, we're making new different boxes. We had this chickweed, Marcia can show you in that box, that's come up everywhere.
Yeah.
It just takes over everything. So what we're doing is we're putting cardboard down in our boxes. Here's one we put cardboard in today, right there. We put the dirt back over top of it. Then we're going to punch a hole right through it and plant.
Let's look, we planted tomatoes today.
Yeah, planted those two last week. They're doing lovely. That's cardboard. Marcia planted lettuce and spinach right there on what we got. That was cardboard.
Yeah.
And three pepper plants. And then this one right here, we're going to plant more plants in. Mm-hmm. So it's working out quite well. And to keep rid of deer, we're putting pea up here. I'm sorry, I know that sounds gross. We pea in a 5-gallon bucket. We let it ferment. We pour it in between the boxes. So far it's been working great. So hopefully it keeps on working. So this is what we're doing, and we'll give you updates later on. But the tomatoes, the lettuce, spinach, and what we're planting here, and everything. So did I leave out anything, Marcia?
Well, you were going to say that by getting the dump truck load of
truckload of dirt,
topsoil and
compost and topsoil,
yeah,
road hauling. That's part compost and part.
It was sifted topsoil.
Sifted topsoil. So that's working out great. Cheaper than going to Lowe's and getting it by the bag. We did this one and this one, and it was like $80-some for both times for each box.
And that was just topping off.
And that was just topping off. So this is much cheaper doing it this way.
Getting it in bulk like that.
A little more work, but better. Hard on old people like Marcia and I. So anyway, we'll keep you updated on what's going on. We just wanted to let you see how it's coming, how we're doing it, and how this progression.
Well, because your friends, our friends Rob and Carmen, are doing the no-till, and they had really good luck last year with that, so that's why we're trying it.
Yes, and then we come up with the idea of the cardboard, and so Rob liked that, so he's using cardboard now. And everything seems to be working good with the cardboard, because it breaks down so easy. You just take the shovel and cut right through it. Nice and moist underneath of it, and it's ready to go. So until then, happy gardening, and hope y'all's allergies aren't as bad as ours is. Thank you.